Welcome to this WIN video on the A320 family cabin ditching updates.
Together, we are going to explain the updates to the Doors 4 ditching procedures for A318 and A319 aircraft.
In this video, we will provide you with, first, the results of the A320 family design review,
then detailed information on the A318 and A319 aircraft equipped with escape slides or slide rafts.
A review between the design office and cabin operations was performed to align the procedure on the A320 family aircraft for ditching water landing on all doors and exits. As requested by EASA, a defined scenario of an unplanned ditching with a critical weight and center of gravity of the aircraft was considered. The review was performed on all the A320 family aircraft with the most critical distance between the seal height and the water level. At door 4, on the A320 and A321, tests demonstrated that the automatic deployment of the escape slide or slide raft is enabled in all cases. And on the A318 and A319 aircraft, tests demonstrated that on some cases there is no guarantee of the automatic deployment of the escape slides or slide rafts. As a result, the ditching procedure for A320 and A321 aircraft will not change. However, the ditching procedure for the A318 and the A319 aircraft will be changed. This table provides a summary for aircraft equipped with escape slides. Door 4 on the A318 and A319 have adaptations to the ditching procedures. We will now detail the adapted procedure for A318 and A319 aircraft equipped with escape slides.
For A318 and A319 aircraft with escape slides installed, during cabin preparation, doors 4 left and right must be disarmed. When the evacuation is initiated, disarm doors 4 if not done during the cabin preparation. Open the door. Check that the door is fully open and the gust lock is engaged. Occupy the assist space. Expedite the evacuation. Ask passengers to inflate the life vest when leaving the aircraft. Request passengers to jump into the water.
This table provides a summary for aircraft with slide raft installed. A318 and A319 doors 4 have adaptations to the ditching procedures.
Let us now look at the adapted ditching procedures. In the case of ditching, slide rafts at door 4 must be disconnected from the door. During cabin preparation or before door opening, remove the slide raft decorative cover.
How to remove the decorative cover?
Unlock the 2 upper latches. Lower the cover. Release the 2 lower straps. When the slide raft decorative cover has been removed, stow the decorative cover away from the door area and the evacuation path. As an example, the decorative cover may be stored in a lavatory. During cabin preparation, or if time permits, take the survival kit and attach it to the lanyard.
How to attach the survival kit to the lanyard?
Locate the snap hook on the survival kit. Attach the snap hook to the white lanyard. When the survival kit is attached to the lanyard, Stow the survival kit next to the door. As an example, the survival kit may be stored between the door and the cabin attendant's seat. When the evacuation is initiated, and after the slide raft decorative cover is removed, the cabin crew must remove the red handles on the slide pack. The red handles are in the upper part of the slide pack, left and right side.
How to remove the red handles?
Firmly pull and remove both handles. The wire harness that is behind the slide pack must be disconnected and removed.
How to disconnect and remove the wire harness?
Turn the metal plug counterclockwise. Pull the metal plug to remove from the recess. The slide pack must be removed from the door.
How to remove the slide pack from the door?
Grab the slide pack on both sides. Hold the slide pack lacing on the left and right sides as seen in the images. Lift both sides of the slide pack simultaneously in an upwards direction. Slightly pull the slide pack out of the brackets. Put the slide pack on the floor and put it upright against your leg. The door must be opened in armed mode and the slide pack rolled into the water. The slide raft should inflate automatically. If the slide raft does not inflate automatically, the cabin crew must open the girt extension, pull the disconnection handle. The cabin crew may use their fingers to help release the lacing. When the slide raft is disconnected, in one action, grab the manual inflation handle. Push the slide raft away from the door. Pull the manual inflation handle. Check that the slide raft is fully inflated. To enable passenger boarding and to ensure that the slide raft stays close to the aircraft, pull the mooring line.
We will now play a video that was filmed at the test facility. The video illustrates the changed procedure for the slide raft. Due to test conditions, the cabin door was opened manually.
Okay, you okay? Clip. Clip. Stow. Retrieval of the survival kit. White lanyard. Loop. Hook it. Stow it here. So that's cabin preparation. Okay? Aircraft on water. So, pull. Pull. Hands in the metal and clockwise. Okay. Lacing. Lacing. Okay. Resting on floor. Slide arms. Power assist did not work. Gust lock engaged.
holding onto the assist handle. Roll into the water. Okay, does not inflate. Open the cover. Pull this connection handle. Use fingers to undo lacing. Grab manual inflation handle. Push the slide pack out.
In conclusion, the ditching procedures for the A320 and A321 aircraft remain the same as of today.
However, door 4 ditching procedures for the A318 and A319 aircraft have changed. This is to maximize the use of the door 4 exits for aircraft equipped with escape slides, or to enable the use of door 4 slide rafts. We hope you enjoyed this video.
And see you around for the next one.